Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to do these two simple little keychains, one for each of my daughters. So if you want to see how it's done, stick around. Today I'm going to be using the amazing clear cast resin. First I'm going to be starting with the zodiac pendants. For this I'm going to be using black alcohol ink, some glitters, and some shimmer powders. I'm making one for a Cancer sign and one for a Sagittarius sign. For the first bear, I'm going to be using December's birthstone color, which is like a turquoise. So I'm using turquoise, glitter, and mica powders. For the second bear, I'm using July's birthstone color, which is ruby. So I'm using red glitters and red shimmer powder. Now that they have cured for over 8 hours, I'm going to demold them. Now I'm going to be filling in the zodiac sign lettering with just some acrylic paints. I do end up changing the color of this turquoise paint later because I didn't think it matched with the bear. now I'm going to be carefully painting the names on each bear. I didn't like the L, so I just decided to erase it and try again. Now that the paint is dried on all my pieces, I'm going to be using UV resin to fill in the gaps and to clear coat the top. You can always use regular resin for this as well. Now that the UV resin is cured, I'm going to be putting the keychains on. I had some extra resin, so I decided to make a skull with it.